In Microsoft Excel, you can freeze rows and columns so that when you scroll, those panes stay in place. Now this can be handy for header sections that you can see your headers no matter where you scroll in the spreadsheet. So to learn more about that feature, keep watching on this video to learn how. Now in freezing a row, you have to first select the row below the row you want to freeze by selecting the number on the left side. Then click the View tab, choose the option Freeze Panes, and you will see several different options you can choose. If you click on Freeze Panes, it will freeze all rows above your selected row. In the option Freeze Top Row, it will freeze only the top row no matter what row you currently have selected. But if you need to freeze a column, you need to select the column to the right of the columns you want to freeze, then click the View tab, choose the option Freeze Panes, and the drop-down menu will appear. Now you can select the Freeze Panes, and it will freeze all columns to the left of your selected column. Or you can also select the Freeze First Column option, and it will freeze only the leftmost column, no matter what column you currently have selected. And lastly, if you need to freeze a column and a row at the same time, click on the cell below and to the right of the panes you want to freeze. Then with the proper cell selected, select the View tab, click on the Freeze Panes option, and choose the Freeze Panes option in the drop-down menu. So that's how I can freeze panes, rows, and columns in the Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.